In this tutorial you will learn how to download and install Media Player in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Microsoft Store. Search for Media Player. Click on Media Player. Press Get. Wait for Media Player to be downloaded and installed. Now open Media Player. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.